Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to learn about the sets. So what is a set? And how do we define the set? So before going to know exactly what is set, let us see some collections of these pictures. So here we have some collection of books, collection of photos, collection of toys, collection of first and even numbers, collection of top 5 cricketers, so set is nothing but a well-defined collection of objects. Set is a well-defined collection of objects or things. Does it mean that all this collection of books becomes a set? Or this collection of photos becomes a set? Or this collection of toys becomes a set? Or this or this? So, once again, if we read the statement about a set, well-defined collection of objects, right? So, set is a well-defined collection of objects. Does it mean that before whatever the collection we have seen that does become a set or not? So listen clearly. It should not be vary from one person to another person. Set means it should not be vary from one person to another person. It means it should be true for every person. Right? It should be. So to understand, to make you understand about this, that it should not be vary from person to person, let us have some examples here. If all the vowels in English alphabets, if you would like to see that, all the vowels in English alphabets, what are the vowels in English alphabets means? We know A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels in English alphabet. If anybody asks me to write all the vowels in English alphabet, even I do write this. If you cannot, if it comes to you also, you also write the same. So every person will the same. So all the vowels in English alphabet means it remains same, no change in this alphabets. So if I would like to it means this collection of vowels of English alphabet can be said as a set. Let us see one more example. Top 3 cricketers. Top 3 cricketers in the world. Top 3 cricketers in the world. So if someone asks me about this top 3 cricketers in the world, so according to me, I may say one is Sachin, another is Sunil Gavaskar, in short I write as Sunil, and another is Kapil Dev. So after me, Sachin, Sunil and Kapil. So these are the top 3 cricketers in the world. Sachin, Sunil Gavaskar and Kapil Dev. But according to other, it may be different. Somebody may say like Brian Lara, Imran Khan, Shane Warne, so according to me, these are the top 3 cricketers in the world, and according to another person, these 3 are the top 3 cricketers. Because here the definition is very clear. Set is a well-defined collection of objects. Means all the collection is not a set. it should be well defined, means top cricketers in the world, like in batting as well as in one day international or what, it should be well defined. Top 3 cricketers in the world is not well defined. As we knew before that, it should not be vary from person to another person. So this statement, if you would like to write into the set, it is not a set, because here you may get the collection but it is not well defined, right? Let us take one more example. Let me take one more example here. Colors of rainbow. Let us take colors of rainbow. Colors of rainbow. So, colors of rainbow means, in short, we write it as Vidyar, right? So that V indicates violet, right? V indicates violet, I indicates indigo, B indicates blue, right? G indicates green, and Y indicates yellow, and O indicates orange, R indicates red. It means this collection, does it differ from person to person? So to whomever we ask what are the colors of rainbow, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. There will be no other colors will be taken as. If we ask another person, he may not come with other colors. So these are the 7 colors of the rainbow. So it is a set. So this we can means it is a collection of colors, but what? It's well defined of colors of what? Rainbow. So it is a well defined. So this can be treated as a set. Right? Let me take one more example for better more understanding for you. Like what if 5 good books in library. Sorry. 5 good books in library. Does it belongs to a set? Just pause the video and recollect what we have learned before here. And you can now. 5 good books in library. For example, coming to me, I like fictional story books. So if I find those fictional story books, I feel those are the 5 books good for me, where I don't feel good for other books. So this is also this collection, like 5 books of good books in library, means this collection also vary from person to person. That is the reason we can say that this is not a set. Set means what? It should be what? Well defined collection of objects. Means all collection of things or objects doesn't mean a set. It doesn't mean a set. Set means it is what? It is well defined. All the collection should be well defined. It means what? It should not be vary from person to person. Right? What is the capital city of India means? Delhi. Or right? So if we go through like this with the different examples, we will know what exactly set. Set means very simple now. No need to get confused. It is a collection of the objects or the things. Collection means it may be a group of people or group of things. For example, if you take collection of boys in your class. Collection of boys in your class. So in your class, whatever the boys, if any teacher or to anyone we ask, the boys of collection of the boys in your class doesn't change, so that we can say that this is a set. So set means collection of the things or collection of the object, but it should be well defined. Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Now let us see one more example about this. Tall boys in your class, right? Tall boys in your class. Now let me take one more example, that is all tall boys in your class. All tall boys in your class. For example, let me take a diagram here. Let me draw a rough diagram to make you for better understand. So here it is 0 feet and for example 1 feet. 1 feet at this, 2 feet at this, 3 feet at this, 4 feet, 5 feet. This is a rough diagram I am taking here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is a student. So this is A, student A, 4 feet, and this is little more 4.5. This is a student B. See, this is D. For example, imagine that there are 4 boys in the class. So the name of the students are A, B, C, D. So this is the height of A, height of B, height of C, height of D. So whether this is a set or not, for that if you see, D is the tallest boy in the class. So if I look into this only D, comparing with this all the 3, I feel D is the tallest. So but if we see, if according to some other person, comparing with these two, he may feel C, D both are the tallest boys. According to another person, if he is comparing with only A, he may say that B, C, D are said to be the tallest boys. So here all tall boys in your class means it is getting vary from one person to another person. So we cannot say that this is a set. Set means not all collection, but a collection of objects or a things or a group of a people, whatever it may be, it should be well defined. As we have seen in the before, we have seen cricketers, top 3 cricketers means it should, all the cricketers, like if you choose any 3 cricketers, it will be vary from another. So set is a well defined collection of objects. So I hope you all enjoyed and I hope you understood what is exactly set. So if you have any more queries, you can give us a mail at askagamath@gmail.com. Thank you for listening. In the next class, we are going to know about representation of a set, and also we see how many types of representation of a sets. Thank you.